Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to a brand new tutorial in using the command prompt. In today's video, we'll learn some new stuff about the command prompt, and the commands that we will learn today are pretty awesome. The first one is, you can see here we have command prompt. Can you change that in the command prompt? Of course, just type title, then type awesome, and you can see title changed. Now the other one is tree command. Let me show you. Hit enter and you can see it will list all the files and directories in the folder you are in and all the subfolders. Since the tutorial folder has nothing, there's not much to no subfolder exists, so there's not much to list. But let's go back, and here we do tree and void. You can see now, I will abort that, there are a tree, and you can see that there are many files, directories, and it will list them for you in a tree format. You can see the relationship by these lines and so on. Now the final one that I want to show you is shutdown. Now shutdown could be shutdown or restart. Of course, I don't want to do that right now, but that's how you can do shutdown or restart your machine from the command prompt. So that's it for me guys in this video. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next video.